Rockstar. Bill Payne, Rockstar, came out, went big, but he's broken it. That's it. Fans, let's hear it. Bill Payne, the Rockstar! He went big for us, but he broke it much too soon. All right, fans, tell the judges what you thought. Bill Payne, Rockstar! Now judges, keep in mind, unable to complete the full time, so take that into account when doing your scoring. Let's see those scores for the Rockstar. We've got a 5, an 8, 13, 7 is 20, second place tonight, Bill Payne, the Rockstar, but your winner, give it up, Greg Winch and Bash, Crushstation! Greg, 10 years off from the sport. This is your second show back. First weekend, 2 for 3 in racing, and now you got a freestyle win. Tell us about that run.
I'll tell you, after doing the wheelie contest there, and I know Bill's bad, he just stands it up every time. So we knew we had to do something. We had a motor issue, and it was something simple. 2 spark plugs were broke. We just put a brand new motor in for this show. This is, I'm returning to this stadium the first time. The first show I ever did was right here in this stadium.
You hear that, fans? When he was a rookie way back in the 90s, first ever show was right here in Salem. Now he's coming back and winning freestyle.
That's the motor. We know we couldn't watch anybody run. I didn't know what anybody was doing, and I said, we already damaged the body. Take a page out of Bill's book, go for it. That's what we did.
Greg, 150 points towards the national championship here tonight. It's got to feel good to come back after so much time off and be right there with the best in the business, taking a win.
Well, it is. It's good to run with Bill. He encourages me to dig harder and fight harder, fly higher. I mean, the guy's phenomenal to watch, and I'm really taking pages out of his and everybody else's here book.
All right, fans, one more time. Wheelie and freestyle winner tonight, Greg Winch and Bash, Crushstation. Now, Bill Payne, you came out hard, you came out big, but just a little too big, a little too soon. What broke on the Rockstar?
A $26 Heim joint. That's it. You know, it's I gotta say, you know, it's good, you know, they have the safety stuff, you know, he's like, you're done. I'm like, I don't care. He's like, I do, it's unsafe, you know, it would have damaged a lot more stuff if I would have kept going, but, you know, my adrenaline's going. I do this for the fun. I don't do it for the money because there's no money in it, you know, I guess there could be money if I, you know, drove like a baby, but, you know, I do this, like I said, I do this to toot my own horn. I love what I do. I want to cry, you know, I was on fire, you know, we've got some better Heim joints in the trailer, we'll replace it, we're going to be on fire tomorrow again.
Now real quick, Bill, so far to start 2010, you haven't been able to get that one just incredible, amazing freestyle that we usually see on a week-to-week basis from the Rockstar. I think it's coming tomorrow night. What do you think?
You know, a lot of trucks try to start out small and work their way up. I try to go out big and give that crowd that wow from the first run. First jump you get. You know, there's times where, you know, there's other guys that joke in the business, say, okay, Bill Payne's running 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get the loader, he's upside down. You know, it's happened many times where first jump, I'm upside down, and I'm just telling him, get the chain, I'm not done. That's the way I run, that's the way we're going to run tomorrow night. That's the way we always do it. You know, everybody gets the same show. Like I said, we love what we do.
Well, fans, tearing it up for you here tonight. Make some noise. Bill Payne, the Rockstar.
Great top freestylers in the sport. He was going big tonight. The truck broke on him, ending his regulation run. He finishes second in freestyle tonight. Once again, no points, no money.